Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is in collaboration with Chic for Cheap, and this is hosted by Christi from Christi Creates, and her co-host for this month is Megan from Craftyquinn. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final reveal, you guys. I'm very excited today to share with you all. So let me start with this cute bird here. And this I saw in one of the Pottery Barn site. And I saw this cute bird on top of a wooden block from Pottery Barn website. And I was so excited to make this one. So like you saw the process, I got wooden cube from Dollar Tree and this cute birdie. I painted black chalk paint, and also this one I just mixed water in antique wax together, and then I painted it just to like darken it, and then I stuck the permanent glue and also hot glue together. So yeah, this is the cute birdie that I'm very excited to share with you all today. And the next one is Kirkland's one of the picture frame, and this is one of the flower I wanted to make from a long time. So you already saw that picture frame from my previous project, and what I did was I just stuck one of the lace designed tissue paper in the back of the picture frame. Then I got this flower from garden section, and I painted white, and I just using the Sharpie, I just drew dotted lines around the flowers, and yeah, I did it. And then so this is my version of Kirkland's picture frames. So I'm very happy and excited about this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this flower pot, I'm very excited. This is one of my old flower pot, and I painted white, just leaving the top layer. That's how the Pottery Barn flower pot was. So I just left the half-inch of a flower pot in the top, just like that, and then I painted white all over. And these are the tissue paper with the greenery on it. So I just, like you saw the process, I just cut the pieces and I stuck everywhere around the flower pot, and it looks like I painted it. And I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. How cute is that? Isn't that pretty? I love it. And all the greeneries, this is one of the eucalyptus greenery that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just stuck it on the flower pot just to add the glamour of it. And this is from Pottery Barn, and I spent hardly $2 on this. So I'm very excited about this project. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are some of the high-end products from high-end stores. So I just spent a fraction of the cost. I would say altogether, I would say like $5 to $6 together. So I'm very excited about all these projects. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think? And if you want to leave any suggestions towards my channel, I would appreciate that. Like I always say, hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.